What?
Baby, I get so scared of me. Okay, give me a hug. Oh, hello. Hello.
Grandma, stop.
Go ahead, sit down. Y'all kids just get too grown with. Don't sit in my chair. That's my chair, baby. Go over here and sit in your own chair. Every time y'all come over here, you want to take everything from me. I can't have nothing. I can't keep nothing. You know what I mean? What's going on? You want to go somewhere? You want to?
Okay. Can you slow down, please?
Yeah, can you slow down? You're talking too fast to us.
And what is on your face?
I did my makeup. It looked beautified. You don't like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do y'all want to do? You want to go to the beach or what you want to do?
We were going to the beach.
Yeah, tomorrow, and we're going to the
Alright.
after tomorrow, and
We're just gonna have fun.
yeah,
I'm actually kind of hungry. Can you cook something?
yeah. Can you cook
The perfect,
something?
absolutely the perfect thing I've been waiting for. You know, Grandma Doodle always got something over here for y'all. You know, I keep everything lined up. And
Grandma
I
Lulu!
still got your little stuff that you got here. You got these little plates and stuff. You know, I keep everything in my bag. I keep everything all in my attic. I bring it down when you come. I bring it down for you when you still got it from when you were 6 months born. It might be some spiders.
She talks
You
so
know what?
loud. And she doesn't keep on
I
talking.
tell you what,
did
you're
Mom
not
say
gonna miss
this
a beat.
year?
Now, do y'all like it? Yeah, this is gonna like it. You know what? Every kid will
What?
like to eat their little stuff from time to time.
What?
Get your little stuff. I got something that's gonna go. Y'all like mustard and jelly?
No, yeah, but we don't like it together.
Oh, it's okay. You know, Grandma. No, you know, Grandma Lou. It's okay.
No.
Baby, it's okay.
You're not putting it on our food.
You're not putting
You're
it
not
on-
putting it on
No.
our food. I
No.
said no.
I said no.
Okay, babies, I mean, I was just trying to do something nice for you, but okay, and you go ahead and enjoy that, okay?
Just fine. Just don't
Yeah,
come
just
on.
find it. Do it. Come on.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Uh-oh.
That's enough. Oh my goodness.
Ew, that's enough.
Okay, it's okay. I act like you didn't ever eat jelly and stuff like that before. You go ahead and try.
Oh no! Ew.
You try, okay?
Ew, mustard
Just
is-
get this stuff away.
Yeah,
from me.
get this stuff.
You
away.
are. You
Okay.
get. Just.
Yeah, you know, baby, that's.
Is this even food?
Go ahead,
Yes.
see if you like it.
See?
Get over here.
Get over here.
I don't want it.
I don't want it anymore.
Kids, or just something else. You know what? I got something for you. I got something for you. Stay tuned till next time. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.